Hi, my name is Chirag Jain, and generally we have one Sunday, so I think that I am grateful to have attend this seminar where I come to know that diabetes is reversal too. Earlier, what I think that diabetes is we have to take a medicines lifetime, but here after attending such session, I come to know that after proper diet, exercise, and along with medications and proper tracking, we can reduce blood sugar levels as well as by continuous putting our efforts, we can avoid more medications. Thank you.